There's so much to do in Depoe Bay. We often hear first-time visitors say, "We had no idea. We wish we would have planned to stay longer." Our beautiful ocean is prominent as you enter our small town. If getting sprayed by the spouting horns isn't exhilarating enough, join one of our many fishing charters or whale watching adventures. Be sure not to miss the world's smallest harbor, which was voted Best U.S. Harbor in 2020. You can look down on the quaint marina from our historic bridge or from nearby restaurants. Better yet, take a short stroll to experience the sights, sounds, and yes, smells of our bustling harbor close up. Depoe Bay itself is part of an Oregon Scenic Byway where you can walk along the seawall sighting whales, take a selfie at the Spouting Whale Fountain, and visit Oregon State Park's newly renovated Whale Watching Center to see their exhibits and learn about the state's Whale Watching Spoken Here program. Known as the whale watching capital of Oregon, people come from all over the world to encounter whales that travel along Depoe Bay's shores. About 40 resident whales, which can be seen nearly year-round, call Depoe Bay home. At least that's what we think they're spouting on about. Though you can often see whales from land, sometimes up to 30 an hour, Depoe Bay offers professional and personal tours dedicated to making whale watching an experience of a lifetime.
My name's Carrie Newell. I run Whale Research Eco Excursions. Depoe Bay here is amazing. We have so many incredible whales. We have the same whales returning back every year. There's no place better along the whole west coast to see gray whales, with the exception of probably the lagoons in Mexico and Alaska, than here in Depoe Bay. Hour-and-a-half trips, and these hour-and-a-half trips I give a quick little talk ahead of time, teach them what they're going to see, teach them all about whales. Like, for example, this is a whale that we've had last month. People love the whales, and I always ask them, what is it about whales? And it's like, oh, they're mysterious, they're large, there's numerous things, but people just love whales.
Depoe Bay has easily accessible scenic everything. It is surrounded by many natural wonders. Just a few minutes away, you can explore Devil's Punch Bowl, Fogarty Creek, Boiler Bay, Rocky Creek, Cape Foulweather, miles of sandy beaches, and amazing tide pools at Otter Rock Marine Reserve. While in Depoe Bay, be sure to take home the bounty of the sea. Our unique ocean experiences create lasting memories and certainly a lot of fish stories. Rockfish and lingcod are offered year-round, while salmon, halibut, tuna, and crab are seasonal. Trying your hand at pulling crab pots can be a fun and tasty addition to a charter boat trip. Hello, I'm Lauren Goddard. I'm one of the owners at Dockside Charters and a captain here and one of the boat owners. We're a full-service charter company that fishes for rockfish and lingcod, crabbing, salmon, halibut, tuna, whatever is in season at the time. Most all of our boats will participate in all of those fisheries. All owner-operated, so each of the guys that run these boats take a great deal of pride in their vessels. Very well maintained, always clean and ready to go fishing. We welcome everyone here at Dockside Charters, and service is what we're all about. We want to take good care of you and make sure that you have an enjoyable experience on the water. Young and old alike can enjoy park play, trail hiking, and harbor strolls. Depoe Bay sports many land-based activities with our spacious harborside town park, complete with a sea creature-themed playground, gazebo, picnic tables, and mossy forested creekside hiking trails. At the harbor, see an Oregon film trail spot and the U.S. Coast Guard station. In the wintertime, plan on experiencing the awe and fun of storm watching. Depoe Bay is perched atop rocky cliffs where waves spray through the famous spouting horns and crash against towering seawall in the middle of town. During a king tide, be prepared to get wet. As always, storm watch responsibly and never turn your back on the ocean or climb on rocks and logs near the surf. Don't miss our 60-plus year annual events, including Depoe Bay's Crab Feed, Wooden Boat Show, and Ducky Derby in April, the Fleet of Flowers on Memorial Day, and September's Native American-style salmon bake. Go to discoverdepoebay.org to plan your visit to beautiful and memorable Depoe Bay.